Michael Quay the report no or the ama empanyufo na eba no bia ka ho asem ade ba kwa na very interesting Yera JFK Justin Frimpong Kodua our general secretary for NPP na ose omopa NPP fo achew ompa NPP fo achew se omudi nkuguo ɛho nsɛm ne deɛ aba bebree nsɛm a ɔkaeɛ obiara wɔ kwan a ɔfa so ɛgye no yɛnti nsɛm ne bi na afei yɛne honorable Eugene Boakye Antwi former member of parliament subin entwetwe nkɔmɔ
as a government because to Ghanaians who were disappointed with us as a party, as a government, because of certain inactions and actions of our party and our government. We have heard you, and as a party, we are reflected on everything that happened during our tenure of office. We know we did our best in terms of infrastructure, in terms of policies, but we didn't get everything right. So to everyone who hears us, who watches us, on behalf of the National Party, we want to say we are sorry for the disappointment that you had. But we can assure you that we have learned our lessons, and the restructuring that is going to happen in our party will make sure that the new patriotic party comes back on the right road, and in 2028, when by God's grace you give us the mantle, all the wrongs that were made will be corrected for us to have a better government under the leadership of a flag bearer that we will select.
Enti we JFK ose opa MPP fo achew opa Ghana fo achew na omasua de omahu omu mistakes na omasua de enti Ghana fo esamo mutumi 2028 omu be ya adepa omasua omade anyway my many honorable Eugene Boakye Antwi former member of parliament subin former deputy minister for works and housing entwetwe nkomo afi nyina afi na ye twetwe enkomo honorable Machi
yeah a chete for nyina titu subin persuasive and when you share me ever call parliament in Bruno a chair something my show to for and when you mid sabe kemboko we are studio force.
Afisha panso afi nyina yenkasa already so.
Afi 2 MPS so. Na ega. Gugu kese gugu ma. Anyway.
Minim say time amudi nkugu no okasa bebri out of pain. Okasa ya because minim say even when now mo party was umpono on several occasions I remember maybe on Peace FM oka che kwam sefa kan say asion for ne buafu enti yentie wo mo MPP fo ntie wo mo me kai hamne no na wo party ni mu but I'm sure say na wo Canada ni anima ni say Eugene wani so ohyedodo e na wo mpe party na sem I'm not sure so you're surprised MPP lose yana.
Dovika se me party na se mo and the party ni timo pedi ena se be in previous elections ya kwa oti ase bibi ko na se be bi abiye koi ye codec no bi no bi tu se ni kwa se o kan oti ase James Baldwin can be or say if you shut your eyes to reality, you be consumed by it. What do I say? Enti obi entimi enkan de all can. Na se utifie na ejatum. Na wa utifie one threat ma abede no one next door no. Wo hu say ejatu fie no. And we are entry into the general secretary Asake Pacho. But I'm saying, a D and NDCO, MPPO, your my general secretary.
Honorable Manti Hono.
Me say, question is here, Busia, Moshe. And so far, Obia Musa, General Secretary, a DNT, a Marco cabinet.
Oh, okay. Say Yebusa, Ebia JFK, or NPP, ni say.
And you know, General Secretary, be NDC or NPP. Say, Obia, ye more Juma, ye more roles. And I am out duty. And I'm out responsibilities.
Yes.
And I'm a boy.
Aye.
It is DNT na party no. Yama a master was saying in our cabinet. Yes, chairman and the general secretary in Kwan and Brown.
Okay.
That question has to be a Musayo. So be a Musayo. What I say? Me and my MP. Push me a never trouble. Me no mean a day before presidential. I said many I deal with mediate check at the highest level. Maybe Nipa 9 na yeko to mo so abam. Obi e MPP ni. Yenya no ban ade ope. Me kai e bi antemase. What you say? But I said what I said, and I have suffered the consequences. If I was fine, it's politics. Any ever dear on my journey, and I wonder how fine they will say, hey, I think you can. I'm be ye or toa, it was losing so. O toa baby, it's what me bob when you penny no. So when Timmy and yes, I go fan could go na ba. Okay, I say. Now question so far me meant to say in central for another party for usa party hierarchy chairman general secretary e dan one ye mo cook party no at the country a mawu general secretary and now chairman cabinet no and it say you ensure that at every single time a buy program and our policy you are the it aligns with your party. So, what do you mean?
Mijipa.
The manifesto na nipa de to Obama party. Obi o Kenyana ha, onye NPP ni, onye NDC ni. And so be a free association and on the to Obama NPP. What you say? It at any given time, no, your duty is to ensure that the president, his cabinet, time no is in sync with the party manifesto. What you want no? What you say? Say about education, your policy then. Your about rural development, your policy on this manifesto then. Say yes, I don't know here. Me here say about my cabinet to what only minister. Obi o cabinet to be asked no. What you want to say an advisor to the president. So yes, you do get here. 19. So if you quick, so your job is always to bring the government back to the center. What I say? Yes, and not say your party, not party is formidable enough. Government. Not say the manifesto promises are Ghana for feel say yentimi anhwe enyina so ama omo nyina so anto abama ya na eno ho na who's for because here for election no man the one panel obi kan ye na call ni so adi no is informed by the party manifesto. What I say? It is a ba abemu the gatekeepers of the party's manifesto every year the chairman and the general secretary meeting of the cabinet. They just don't go there to have the manifesto. By in fact, a non-true chain, and no one said the blue way back. And so, so far, general secretary, Kasa reforms and make a year babano. And no man will be a friend. Party 2008, a cry lose to a cliffhanger of an election by 30,000 votes. Well, after that, party no set up and a committee chaired by Dr. Eugene, former Ghana commissioner to South Africa. On the committee now, I'm about to say that I'm going to come. I'm going for 20 and me that time bronc a half. I'm course out to now chapter 4 of Dr. Hima committee report. That report, Professor Michael Kure committee this year, almost a copy of it. Now, report has been a kind. Report is a kind of say. A milestone, the party, no, or more effect to about internal officers, no, a constituency, region, national, parliamentary, and presidential, no, expanded base, no, because secretary, no, adult. Now, this was one of the ways that they used to check the incidence of financial inducement. Now, every year, no, yes, I started 2009, which the party did. From 2010, the party must take intermediate steps with a limited expansion. Okay, I say, I remember all card-bearing members of the party, all internal elections. Now, from 2010, ABC and how many years?
Nhyira fan.
Mechiwasia, ibetimi aka say sa reforms se biaba because I remember in 2008.
Nana, the party you restrict yourself to a family town. You go 40.
Okay. What's it say?
You know,
Busadi.
Dr. Heyman committee report in 2009. One of the recommendations, said, you expected the base of the party or by internal officers. We are parliamentary candidate, we are MP, we are an officer of the party. We are president, we are officer of the party. Or party, what I say? Send me a party, you Congress chairman, party, you regional chairman, party, you national chairman. So our party, now the parliamentary candidate, and one the presidential candidate. Now, Dr. Heyman committee report the 2009, you're restricting it to polling station 4. May expand it. I'm going to go for 5 the mile.
Right.
Right. Then what in 2010 air promo, party should take an intermediate step with a limited strikes now. All card-bearing members of the party at Waba. Now, Mibusa said from 2010, it be doing how many years?
Wow. Nese sa idea na basenka obia owo card wo MPP mu na oye in good standing utua ne to ye bibia ne ma no kwan na enye delegate nko selected no enye nne na recommendation ne bai
because this recommendation no ba no me am tell me one of the principal architects of the expansion that man be NPP UK general NPP UK secretary no this proposal at the buy. This 2 tier, because of the C 2007. Now, the buy, now MPP force, there be we are MPP for him, and then for him, young man, Heyman can say, okay, and when you are 5 maybe a bit my because in your head. Name you should take an intermediate step of ensuring that all card-bearing members at Waba from 2010, it is in there. And now I know Kasei, MPP Abaya, a bar, MPP party, a bar, and now MPP Amanukua, a bar Ben 2017. You committed be a friend of Ghana card a buy. If a Ghana near code a beer, 18. kwa pem ni a wodi bia no ana Ghana ni bia on kwa Ghana card nti ne se wo ka se o ye NPP database umre sekretana ni ID bia no utie and so party ni anyway for a fraction of the population of the party what if I say the people Tabakra NPP last election year only 4 million they put 2 million cry registered new paying members year be a stadium and what you know you go to a bar and ben will be like I said and I said food so one go to a bar because we are for this coming and you be one some money can be cured by it it is a reformer and you really become once a more and after Dr. Heyman committee report 2020 so the co-election year yes I another committee chaired by sorry Honorable Yao Sapumanfo.
Right. I know you are
and year 2020
okay.
2021 almost start here Juma.
Right.
So we year Juma.
Right.
That report on so. Enti inside came a normal as party no a share. Yeah. We are proposed to maybe before why are we comparing ourselves with NDC? Is NDC the standard in this country? Obiara nim say NPP eba abatuo mu e kan kro ni abatuo sakraya. We the NPP, we are the pacesetters. The Juma party and the man Tabaunia, Professor Michael Quay, Mr. McMahon, Honorable Matthew Poku Pepe, Honorable Adwa Safo in 2014. I almost set up the party's electoral reform committee. And the offer 169 seats by what I say? 80. So we the committee, no committee recommendations number. Na the one be na ye tie na ye nye. Na the bia a more position we are. I think na make us attention bia. Then it's something you have to address. Because she say no in perform no mukasa nyina say you mo bia kwa no tfan. Obi a card be remember we try news. You man kwan non to abanu go for a party. The bia be ko wi afa na nyina members and yi nipa. Or a delegate or a delegate or a member of the party who try news. It's a number in some more. He said, yeah, change what Professor Michael Quay show report on the Abano. Either recommendations, no, either party the back. You also say, now, no, the National Council, I think local conference.
Right.
And to go for started submitted more constitutional amendments anyway to the committee. This is the way to proceed is for expansion. Maybe the one the entire to be your 1,000 delegates. You have a 500 pen but what about you? And a partner betuno, yes, no, yes, no, baby. Opeki knows why not what sanction. If you say number, say who is a expansion deal by any end of it is so far the Casano Cosso. You say party share conference July, the budget, the Ebua party no akin because say NPP for a Casa a one company in our kind of say it means no choir and there be an apathy and a science and some course one for Antwi Abba.
All right.
Into the party must embrace internal reform if they are to remain relevant and effective. Reform at this stage, it's not a luxury, it's a necessity.
Oh, okay. Nice.
Yes. Because they are reformer. You be a go. Not for very. Why do you want to? And who hate leaders? And why be you? I want to crap party. Who be you? Another party now. And you pray almost saying, he said, go for much answer. And I said, sir, the air of no man or Masaba. Gonna for you. You're gonna for you. Said, a man you quite bit my own mind way. Gonna for you. A party or Homa Buja for Mebunu in Kitesia and Crack a form with university campus in almost GDA and the NPP. And you have Sadi Panofa could the NDC. What I say, a day na young, and I fear ye, young could be NDC, or could be NDC. And then we call this another question. The dear part of your party, I say, reform is election. It's not a luxury, but it's a necessity.
Interesting.
The party now reform on one. Maybe I hear a problem. You hear it were 88 members of parliament, 41%. It didn't feed that since 2000.
Nhyira FM.
It's more beyond Trump feels a year better. Ghana for Katache. Say, more good threats. Namon Mosesa, and all the Amoye, Namumra, Namuba, near Shet, Namasa, you some way ready. The mind of a mobile man. When you GDA or the markets, figures are the NPP winning elections are figures in and the NBC. Ghana for the GDA and the new patriotic party. Okay, share a motion. You're supposed to be a quiet and partial. I did you did. Say, my can your Ghana card there. Biometric party membership, and if I say a problem, well, we'll be a bit of that. We can easily go to the Uber registered Ghana card by writing your details in our national identification authority. What you say? The quiet person you deal with the what you say? The quiet the person you deal with digitized into traffic or card now or card and a transparent delegate management. What you say? Moving to say me a chairman. It's the Uber one police station. The man kwan na guho. What you say? The Salomon in our process to move forward because of the nature of our elections. No, we are elections. Oyebi, me am a chairman state. We are everyone. What you say? Yes. Yeah, money to me or yeah, everyone. We will be or Obegunsa said Muslim. What I say? It is some money in Ghana for a what I say, police station for the they are the lifeblood of our party. In case of reform to share a power almost with tools, training, any recognition. No, my year is the yeah, let's me a motion. Almost party. But when the party was what the cat was to a man be any idea. And internal elections must be free, fair, and transparent. We are chairman, what you man say, we are Busha. You are Juman so that we don't come man. We are for what you man say, yeah, I opinion. You are Juman so that you will go my way.
Right.
The giants are no man about the father bar, or be a man. Nipa be trade for you. Would not the NSL be say, they'll qualify man of four matter.
Right.
Original. Oh, we are. You know, only and one ma, everybody say, why you the baby? Now, I thought continue quite so. Now, only two or Bapper of a title. Start to partner with from and what? Because party be winning power, and yesterday is united. If you unite back on that, your one agenda. In case not so, yes, but reform them must be inclusive, responsive, and better organized to engage with Ghanaians on the real issues. Now, but to quick report to buy. Dr. Mafoso, former MP. Yeah, we the last parliament, you know. The discuss I mean today, man. So engage Ghana for at the culture man. Now the presentation last week Thursday. Now the big can mebulu o man trouble. The person you know government issues na yen ti ma handle
honorable line breaky the okanu unhia me na ye di ewie but line breaky o say me to say apart from Professor Michael Quay report na ba afina mobile be kan wansem no MPC na mawie madwuma no mo jeje ntoboa e de ma Dr. Emmanuel Mafo a ono ye ofori crew member of parliament former a ono nso ye crachi ni researcher so ono nso nkot ehwehwe mu mbusa de enti a MPP for mulusu ye ba kone se mabuna nto amamo enyeza
yeah the cast dealing with the party for no
okay
because oba uko drew constituency bia and a chairman ataka and NPP anye we and we are mamiska there the enyo le pese here no the AEP asem the pese say Ghana nam hono a ono onye delegate onye MPP ono otonaba adikunti a wan to aba
okay
and it was 2.1 million and Antwi. It didn't know Antwi. And they perceive no. It did not for your presentation last a Sakufidra conference hall, University of Ghana. Even I could. And someone was done it, and I research, finding a buy before. Number one, Ghana, Antwi.
Ghana mebuna nto ama abama MPP for
Antwi MPP.
Okay, they told me
a soft governance issues.
Bit is saying
Soft governance issue the optics. The former Chief Justice Wakudna Finance Ministry na was say the Sika Abama and Sanka the Sika. The issue of Galamsey. The issue of police recruitment. It be me to say we just a project and I'm sure say the party needs all these documents to formulate a strategy for our next election in 2028 with my catch of a Ghana for saying the Ama or Mutuma yen and to anyone they are nobody say for no a baby almost from that on one. And here number one. Yes, and here number one. Because messenger no be as good as the message. What I say? It did not Ghana for excess radio no.
Right.
What I say? We and for tell the client to yes, I say Darucha. Your boy alagete, your boy sides, your boy ageni boateng, your boy dambuchi nom, or who something for now. And ya say, Ella, Oko Bobra, Oko Sintan, and now say Oko Tear school fees. And Pepa, Ubidin so Osumanoa, now discuss Sumana, Obako yet the Skepata. Then I put her some money. I was already a old Pramen to be a cheat. It's not going to go to go for I paid the house of 1 year. What you say?
Right.
And yes, say for me a bro scatter fire party juma na ebia and hope yes should be wa go put to be the wa you can tesa when I want on I say got into thing me I no man Ghana for it because don't forget we live in the communities. What you say?
Right.
Oba yet bro no so Santa won't try pump. What can I say?
Right.
What about one of these guys? Or a quarter of whom or meaning somebody inform me of why why you do. Yes, the unity, partnering whom we are killing the family.
Right.
If you do me, I do you no.
Right.
Yantia say the body make chair one. We are joking. You be a girl. If you be
yeah.
If you be a more acceptable, by how a year and cassa. Any boo, but my yes. Very, very important.
All right.
Party, whatever you pay, I need my will be a department producer. na obi kasa no kasa ne nshaman nyina normal Ghana for hey.
Okay.
Okay, I say. And just was empowerment, but and still say, old part the category accept ya and needy. Put your say, there will be our basse, Obamano, Ompenoa, control my open. That's us. Name and cassette candy power. Look at candy power. On to what you have for. Almost on the cassette now. He kept in chili party in the supper.
All right.
It is time Kabumuno. He are dear back now. I say a friend once because our goal is to win our sorry. It's not to win argument within the party, but to win elections for Ghana. That is our goal. What you say?
Okay. All right.
And the rebuilding now, we are not just fixing the party machinery. We are rebuilding the soul of the party. They mebunu I want Ghana. Man called the new patriotic party and also someone to my where did you go wrong? A dear incident next NPP allow no. I yet been say NDC about NPP and NPP DNP. So many you know no man going forward no. SFF must na yeka. Maybe we going to later. We are finance don't to messy and some. You must work for it with discipline, data, and direction.
All right.
And the road to 2028 begins now. Now, also, in the report, what they are National Council. Now, accommodation, I said back. Now, July, what you know, the are in now, we started a reorganization. Our priority is to restore public trust in the NPP. We must acknowledge that there were shortcomings in the past. You fix them. Improve upon our achievements to present a new, stronger version of NPP. As a resource, also energize our grassroots structures, especially the Mebunu and the youth and women's wings. The real campaign begins in the communities, not in the party headquarters. Yes, from legal from Kasa. Because home, maybe you're downstairs. As some are saying, Ghana for on your promises, they want participation. What I say, they want to still say, make up, and then because we are the many NPP was MPP, the money, the time, and Mama Comedy. Suddenly, Omofu said, Nebunu, Namahama, appointed or I would be ministers when this morning. Stand over some who NPP. What I say, and yet will be. And I want to say, party na power, no near to me, no what na. And then she get here, when the independent, when the minister pay. On minister, yes, yeah, or can finish or can. Difficulty, when the independent, when the minister pay, on fast our positions in 9 years. I send back or can send all kind of because party be here with the and no,
all right.
And to be or MPB, and I want the minister be could be in Jatimba. There's all the Trump to. We are going to deal with a formidable party,
right?
And that formidability, will come out of and a party first, not about personal interest. A party first, about opposition. Obi Amoto. I know somebody called Koso party headquarters. Into in trunk of 4 cars near them. May see a whole affair about one thing. Well, Miss February be start friend about half the minister. We inject 2 months. Suddenly, I didn't say the party do on the only a separate affair. Either you win or you lose. It's so wow. Again, give a top party in the other position. No more. No, you're going to party or the students can draw more. Some way in normal SFA made a big way, maybe I do them. And you yet to me, we are coming after me. You must begin to place the MPP at the heart of everything that we are doing. The BIM will be done in matters.
All right.
I think I'm okay.
Matty.
The best of the MPP is still behind us. It's right ahead of us.
Matty. Honorable, that's it. Meaning, so we are part 1. Minim say on hyehyɛ
Ada
yin.
o sa pepa tu aka ho.
Na say na de magyawa ma interject we waka flu. Enti we ye nya wo stud ufin kran ba. No question am person buza no buza say phone so de ya say nye de. Enti wo ba. Me hu na me hwe wani busa question be mienu bi.
Ma se ti ya de.
Mate be na so ochia ho.
Ejire so make sense to be something to for mana kwa ba so. Nya me na koda be say sabo asundwe. Enti yeguso. Yeso.
All right. Me dan say Nhyira 104.5 Kofi the ten say or say omunso before say Michael